Beautiful day out again today. Man, it just keeps getting warmer, it seems like, man. It's like November 6th or 7th or something, and it's just warm for no reason. I don't remember it ever being this warm in November like this. Usually by this time it starts getting colder, but yeah. Wow. You can really tell how low my pipes are then. There's a tiny little bump in the road and it scraped really hard. Nice little drive through here. Sure to stop at every single stop sign. Get home and wash this thing. You can see by my windshield how dirty this thing is. What the fuck is this guy doing? Only in Mexico, boys. Only in Mexico. It's about that time of year. Everyone's putting their car away for the year, but not me. This was my daily. We are daily driving the Terminator. Horsepower versus 700. This is probably a little under 500. That made my day. Having a shitty day, race a Hellcat. It'll make it better. Listen to this thing. My girlfriend's got to take that corner in her Jeep at like freaking 10 miles an hour because it's so sharp. This thing just takes it. Thank you. Incredibly dirty this thing is. Holy crap. The Terminator owners on this shit is probably crying. Yeah, it's my daily driver, man. This thing gets used. Bam, she's clean again. Nice and clean. Back in the garage, boys, after that little drive, man, that was fun. I mean, that's probably what you would really expect from this car right now with this setup. It's got the stock supercharger, just a smaller pulley on it, 2.7, something like that, 2.75. It's the smallest pulley you can really put on the stock supercharger. And it's got a tune and some other small things like exhaust, little intake on it. It's probably around like 470, 480. That's really cool, seeing that this car is a 2003, keeping up with, you know, brand new muscle cars. The top of the line car right now, which is the Hellcat. That is really cool to see. I mean, with some small upgrades, everybody knows that you could probably push this thing a little harder and you'd probably dust that thing, but that's what you would expect from a little stock supercharger on this thing versus a Hellcat. I don't know what size motor the Hellcats have in them, but this is a 4.6, and I guarantee that the Hellcat motor is a little bit bigger, and it's brand new compared to a 2003 car. So I'm really happy with the results. This thing holds up really well compared to, you know, brand new cars and stuff like that. So if y'all like this video, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Everything's appreciated, guys. And I'll catch you in the next one, boys. Peace out. Thanks for watching.